Chapter 1.3 Solving equations with variables on both sides. To solve equations with variables on both sides, we collect the variable terms on one side and the constant terms on the other side. Any letters such as x, y, z, or a, b, c are called variables. So variables are any letter, and constant means any numbers without any letter. So 1, 2, 3, 12, etc. Now to solve example number 1, we are going to rewrite the equation 15 minus 2x plus 5 equals negative 7. Now we are going to bring these two x's together, and to do that we can either add 7x on both sides or we can add 2x on both sides. In this one we are going to add 2x on both sides, and we are going to get 15 plus 5 equals negative 5x. Now by doing this operation we were able to get the constant terms on one side and then variable on the other side. All we have to do now is to combine these two like terms, and that going to give us 15 plus 20, which is 20 equals negative 5x. We're going to isolate the variable, so which means we have to remove the negative 5 from this sides, and we see the relationship of x and negative 5. It's negative 5 times x, so which means that we are going to divide with negative 5 on both sides, and that is going to give us this, and 5 and negatives will cancel each other. 20 divided by 5 would give us 4 equals x, and keep the negative sign, and that's going to be your answer.